हेलो किड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। सो किड्स, आज हम सीखेंगे A to Z alphabets. Let's learn it together. The first one is A. A is for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E is for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G is for grapes. H. H for hen. I. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. K. K for kite. L. L is for loin. M. M for mango. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P. P is for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Next one is R. R for rabbit. S. S for sheep. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for violin. W. W is for watch. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yacht. And the last one is Z. Z is for zebra. Great job kids. तो आज हमने क्या सीखा? A to Z alphabets. Hope you like the video. Bye bye.